Hey, it's Dave with Austin's Kamado Joe Masterclass.
Today we're turning leftover Thanksgiving turkey into something you'll actually be excited to eat again. This is a classic turkey divan. Tender broccoli, juicy turkey, a rich creamy sauce, and a cheesy buttery panko topping. It's easy, it's comforting, and it feeds a crowd. Let me show you how to put it together. We're going to start by blanching and then cooling 2 cups of broccoli florets. We'll spread those broccoli florets into the bottom of a baking dish and cover them with chopped turkey, arranged right on top of the broccoli. We're going to use dark meat, white meat, whatever you've got left over from Thanksgiving. Just make sure it's in bite-sized pieces. Just spread it all out so that you end up with turkey and broccoli in every bite. Now let's make that creamy sauce that ties everything together. In a mixing bowl, we're going to add 1 can of condensed cream of chicken soup, 1 can of condensed cream of mushroom soup, and a half a cup of mayonnaise. Whisk that all together until it's completely smooth. This will seep down between the turkey and the broccoli and keep everything moist and flavorful while it bakes. Once it's smooth, just pour that right over the turkey and broccoli. Use a spatula to gently spread it out so it covers the whole surface and works down into the gaps. Next up is the cheese. We're going to spread 1.5 cups of shredded cheddar all over the top. I don't want to pack it down, just let it fall naturally so you get a nice even layer of cheese. Sharp cheddar works really well here because it cuts through the richness of the sauce and adds a really nice flavor. Now let's make a crunchy topping that really makes this feel special. In a small pan, heat 3 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Let it melt, and once it's melted, add 1/3 cup of panko breadcrumbs. Stir constantly for a couple of minutes until they just start to turn golden and smell toasty. You don't want it dark, just lightly golden. When it looks good, take them off the heat and sprinkle those buttery panko crumbs over the top of the cheese. That's going to give you a crispy golden crust. Now it's ready for the oven. Place that baking dish into a preheated 350-degree oven and bake it for about 40 minutes. You're looking for a few things. The edges should be bubbly, the cheese should be melted, and the panko should be lightly browned on top. If it's not, give it another 2 or 3 minutes. Just keep an eye on it so the panko doesn't burn. Once it's done, pull it out and let it rest for 5 to 8 minutes. Just scoop it out into bowls or onto plates. You'll get tender broccoli, leftover juicy turkey, and that rich creamy sauce and melted cheese and crunch on top. Hey, if you liked the video, let me know, and please subscribe for more Kamado Joe cooking tips. And watch my Kamado Joe 101 playlist right now.